In this video, I will show you how to fix mention and tag not working in Outlook. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Outlook new message window, and here I'm going to write @ sign. And as you can see, after writing the @ mentioning and tagging is not showing. Now let's see how to fix this problem. To fix it, first of all, you have to click on File and click on Options and select Mail. Now scroll down and go to Send Message section. Under Send Message section, at the bottom of this list here, you will find this option, Suggest names to mention when I use the @ symbol in a message. So all you have to check this option and then click on OK. And here we can see requires restarting Outlook. So after changing, you have to close your Outlook and then go ahead and relaunch your Outlook on your computer. And now let's compose a new email and writing here @ and now here you can see the mentioning and tagging pop-up is working perfectly. So this is how we can solve this problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.